Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to use the combination of VLOOKUP and MATCH function in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let's understand what is in the data and what is the requirement. In this Excel sheet, I have a sales data that has item ID, item name, and their quantity sold in different cities of USA. Here in this second table, I need to display the item name and quantity sold in these cities based on the item ID that I put here in this cell. In this case, I can use the VLOOKUP function to find out the information based on this lookup value. But in case I have multiple columns to use VLOOKUP, one of the time-taking thing is to define the column index number for every single column. So here the role of this match function is to automate the column index number. In previous tutorial, I combined columns function inside VLOOKUP to automate the column index number, but we can only use columns function in case the column header position are exactly same in both table. But here in this case, if you notice, the position of column header is different in these two tables. If you see, the name of the cities are in different column. Like here, the first city is New York, the second is Los Angeles, but in the second table, the first city is Chicago, the second city is Houston. So there is difference in the city name position in the columns. In this case, we have to use the match function. Now let me show you how this match function identifies the column index number. For this, in this cell, let me press equal to, then use match function, open bracket. In the match function, first of all, we have to put the lookup value. For the lookup value, click on this item name cell, then put a comma. In the lookup array, select the range where you want to look up this item name. So select this column header range of the source data, this one, then put a comma. In the match type, select the exact match by double clicking, close bracket, press enter. The result is given as 2 because the match function finds the position of this item name here in this range. It finds out the column position. In this range, the position of item name is in the second column. That's why the result is given as 2. If I use the same function here, equals match, open bracket, in the lookup value, click on this city name, comma. In the lookup array, select this column header range, comma, then choose exact match by double clicking, close bracket, press enter. Now I got 5 here because the position of this Chicago here in this range is the 5th column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the match function will give the column index number for these cities. Now you can use this same match function for all the cities to get the column index number. For this, double click on this first formula, then lock this A2 to G2 range, because when we copy this formula for other cities, this range should be locked. For that, click between A and 2, then press the F4 key in the keyboard, that applies the dollar symbol. Click on this G2 range, then press the F4 key in the keyboard, that applies the dollar symbol, press enter. Now if you drag this formula till the last city, here you can see the column index number is automatically given. Now if you combine this match function inside VLOOKUP, then the column index number gets automated. Now let me use here the combined formula. Click on this cell, then press equal to, use the VLOOKUP function, open the bracket. In the lookup value, click on this item ID, then lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard, then put a comma. In the table array of VLOOKUP, select this entire data source. Lock the table array by pressing F4 key in the keyboard, put a comma. In the column index number, combine the match function. So put here match, open bracket. In the lookup value of match function, click on this item name, then put a comma. In the lookup array of match function, select the column headers of the data source. Then lock this range by pressing F4 key. Put a comma. In the match type, select this exact match by double clicking. Then close the match function. Put a comma. And here in the range lookup of VLOOKUP, select this exact match by double clicking. Close bracket. Then hit enter. Now here you can see the item name for this item ID is given. You can now use the fill handle to drag this formula till the last city, and here you can see the information of quantities sold is picked up. For this HA008, the item name is water purifier, and if you see, the sales of this item in the Chicago city is 26 unit, and here also you can see in Chicago the sales quantity is 26 unit. Let me verify one more. In New York it should be 19 unit, and here you see in New York City the sales is 19 unit. The formula is working perfectly. Now if you change the item ID, for example HA002, here you can see the result automatically updates. So this is how you can combine the match function inside VLOOKUP to automate the column index number. If you want to practice this formula combination, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.